What's up guys? Today I'm going to a very special place that my friend told me about. He sent me a couple of pictures and I just lost it. This place looks absolutely beautiful and natural, and I'm getting ready my stuff. We got the drone, fins, GoPro, mask, and of course coffee. So let's get started. It's gonna be awesome.